Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, RichieRich from the Guild of Near Protocol Philippines at ako'y nagbabalik at pag-uusapan natin ulit ang Near Academy dito sa Near Protocol. At bago tayo magsimula, sana mag-subscribe kayo at like itong video na ito. At sa mga hindi pa napapanood ng mga previous chapters, sana balikan nyo ito sa aming YouTube channel, which is Near Protocol Philippines. At kung gusto nyo pa matutunan more about Near and cryptocurrency, bisitahin nyo talaga ang aming YouTube channel. So, bago tayo magsimula, ang nilalaman nitong chapter na to, which is entitled ay Near Contracts, difficulty ay 4/5, estimated reading time is 6 minutes. Siyempre, magsisimula tayo dito sa chapter 5, dito sa isang magandang image, which is ito. Basahin natin. When you check the meme collection status, you actually interacted with a contract on the Near network. As a matter of fact, the museum is orchestrated mostly automatically via a multitude of codes deployed on Near that interact with each other. I'm so glad to be back at work. Digital detox was a bad idea. Imagine living without a internet for a week. My god, I'm so much better with my smart contracts code. I see the beauty in their rules, like an invisible chaos behind the face for order. So, dito pinag-usapan dito ang kagandahan ng smart contracts. At ang pag-build ng smart contracts within the Near network. So, tayo na yung mag-proceed dito. Contracts. Contracts are a set of functions that can read or alter the state of the Near network. They are executed on the Near virtual machine, a minimal hello world code written in assembly script. It looks like this. So, ito yung mismong code ng magsisimula yung pag-create ng contracts at mismo lamang sa pag-create ng hello world using assembly script. And after it was compiled to WASM. Contract can be deployed to the Near blockchain. Deploying a contract means that it is uploaded and stored in the Near blockchain. Once deployed, the contract can be called in the Near virtual machine like a script served by nodes on the Near blockchain. Anyone connected to the network can see and interact with the code. If a user provides a valid input, the contract will deterministically produce its expected output, in this case hello world. The contract can be called using the Near CLI, Near view hello world, hello dash world dash contract testnet hello functions. The hello world contract is the most basic type of contract, as no state alteration is required by Near network when the contract is called. It simply displays a static string stored on the blockchain. Calling such contracts does not involve gas cost in Near. Gas is incurred only when a computation is required. So, re-require nga lamang ang gas fee dito. Create ng pag merong mga computation dito, doon lang re-require. Pero sa paggawa ng contract, hindi nagre-require ng gas fees or other transaction. Let's look at hello _u close open and close parentheses. Now, this contract involves more than just a simple view function on something that was stored on the blockchain. It requires a call of context. So, ito yung mismong code dito. Yung sinasabi nilang sa pag-create lamang ng hello-u. Contract hello _u close and open and close parentheses does not alter the blockchain state. Still, it requires a call of context and operation that validator nodes have to carry, and therefore gas to be paid. So, yun. Nagkakaroon lamang ng gas fee pagdating sa mga validator nodes. Dahil sila yung mismo nagdadala nito. Other call functions may alter the state of the blockchain. Gas must pay to the network when invoking this function. Yun. Pag nag-i-invoke lamang. Consider the function register _me close open and close parentheses. It takes a name and stores it on the blockchain, altering its state and requiring action. So, ito yung code na yun para sa sa register _me. Yan. Ito yung mismong yung naka-public mo. Ay, naka-void. class name. Ito yung mismo class name nun, which is ang register underscore open close parenthesis. Note that this time the function does not return anything to view. This is what is indicated by void. The null output must be specified in the functions run on here. Yan, naka-void, naka-written siya as void dito. Written, I mean, naka-indicate yung void. Naka-indicate siya ng void dito sa mismo code na to. An action is a composable unit of operation that together with 0 or more other actions defines a transaction. You can think of an action as a valid message to be executed at the destination receiver. There are currently 8 supported action types. At ito yung mga yon, which is a create account, delete account, add key, delete key, transfer, stake, deploy contract at ang function call. So, ano nga ba itong mga ito? Isa-isay natin. Create contract, create account, ito ay mismo na yung pag-create ng account. Delete account, ito yung mismo yung pag-delete, add key, pag-delete ng key, ay pag-add ng key, add, which is ang full access or function call access. Delete key, ito yung pag-delete ng existing key sa mismong account. Ang transfer, syempre, ang pag-move, ang stake, ito yung mismong pagkakaroon mo ng experience sa pagiging validator, pag gusto mo maging validator. So, deploy contract, ito yung mismong pag-deploy, ito yung function call. Ayan. Ito yung mga, so, ulitin ko lamang, itong 8 to ay itong 8 supported action types sa paggawa ng smart contracts. Sa deployment of a contract typically follows just 4 steps. Ito yung mga 4 steps. Step 1, ang compile ng contract bytecode. The given Rust or assembly script code is compiled into WASM bytecode. Step 2, compose transaction using deploy contract with attached bytecode. A transaction is constructed that contains all the necessary values for need to deploy a smart contract. A transaction alters the VM state and can include more than one action like create account, add key, transfer as well. Step 3. Sign and send a transaction to deploy your code. Everyone can create a transaction but only signed transaction with valid keys is correct. The signed transaction is broadcasted to near, validated by the validators, and eventually the code gets deployed on the network. Step 4, redeployment and trustless operation. As long as full access private keys are available, you can redeploy, remove these keys for trustless operation. Congratulations! So, ito na yung tatapusan ng content in chapter 5. Now, let's move on na po mismo sa question and answers sa mismo chapter 5. Siyempre, hindi nawawala sa isang kada chapter ang question and answer na para makapag-proceed tayo sa next chapter. So, answer a simple question, what is a near contract? Wrong answers only. A legal agreement for storing financial assets on the near network. B, a script that is deployed and operates on the near network. C, a fee perceived by contractors of the near network. D, a transaction involving more than one party in the near network. So, sinasabi dito, ano nga ba ang near contract? At wrong answers lamang, syempre. Masulat naman na dito. Ang pwede lamang isagot. At isubmit nga lamang ang answers. Kung kayo ay nakapag-decide na kung ano yung tamang sagot. So, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video for chapter 5 ng Near Academy. At sana marami kayo natutunan about near contracts, ang paggawa ng smart contract codes dito sa Near. At sana i-like na itong video at subscribe. At i-subscribe din na rin ang aming channel para for more updates syempre. Yun lamang, maraming salamat.